Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connections, but you cannot open any website in your browser on HONOR Magic5 Lite. So let's open our Google Chrome, and here if we try to reach any website, like this one, it doesn't work. We can also try to open a new one. And to fix this, go back to your settings, then scroll all the way down and find System and Updates. Enter date and time, and here enable set time automatically. Now if you go back to your browser, you can refresh any page and it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.